Okay, so we were discussing a lot of things yesterday, and one of the things that we started off with was with reference to a feature called AD Recycle Bin. And then I also mentioned to you is that if you want to use this feature of AD Recycle Bin, you have different functional levels for your domain. You have a 2008 functional level, you have 2008 R2, 2012, 2012 R2, and 2016, since we're using 2016 server, right? Now, there are two basic concepts you have to remember about domain functional level and forest functional level. There are two things. One is domain functional level, and then there is forest functional level. You normally set this when you set up your activity domain, and probably when you see the list of functional levels, I always told you to leave it the forest functional level as 2008 and the domain functional level as 2008. And the reason why I mentioned that is to you is that is so that you understand when to move up the level. Now you have to understand that when you leave it the least, that is 2008, that's what we've been doing, right? Two things happen. Number one, you can have older domain controllers in your domain, older DCs. So that means you can have a mix and match. You can have a 2008 DC, you can have a 2008 R2 DC, and likewise up till your latest 2000. So you can have a mix and match of domain controllers. The moment you move from the functional level 2008 to 2008 R2, and why would you do that? The reason why would you do that, probably there was a feature that was introduced in 2008, and for you to activate that feature, you will have to upgrade your domain function level. And upgrading the function level means a simple thing. It means that this 2008 DC is no longer going to be supported. I'm talking about DCs. I'm not talking about clients. This 2008 domain controller will no longer be supported, and we start only from 2008 R2, 2012, 2012 R2, likewise. So these are the only domain controllers that are going to be supported from 2008 R2 onwards. And that's what we're planning to do out here. We're planning to activate a feature called AD Recycle Bin. But for us to activate a feature AD Recycle Bin, we have to ensure that our forest function level is on 2008 R2, our forest function level. That the meaning of that is, one is you have a root domain. Second is you have a child domain. It could so happen that my root domain is on the 2008 function level, and my child domain is on the 2008 R2 functional level. They can be in two different function levels within the domain itself. So root domain can be on a different function level. Okay. So the domain functional level of the root domain is 2008. The domain functional level of the child domain is 2008 R2. Meaning every domain has got its own domain function.
You can have a different.
The forest function level has to be the least. The forest function level has to be 2008.
Okay. That's mandatory.
The least of the two. The least of the two has to be the forest function, because the forest has to support you. If your forest function level is 2008 R2, that means this is also 2008 R2, this is also 2008 R2.
Right.
You're getting it. So Microsoft said that if you want to enable AD Recycle Bin, then your forest function level has to be 2008 R2. So that means for my forest function level to get to 2008 R2, I have to make my root domain also 2008 R2.
Yeah.
Then only my forest function level can be raised to.
So we can say support everything. It has to be the least. Then only it can support from 2008 to 2008 R2 to everything.
But the problem is when you support the least, then you certainly get features that are not activated. You're getting it.
You lose out on features.
You lose out on features. So at every level you will lose out on features. So now let us check out this feature called AD Recycle Bin, and let's see how it works. So, the reason why we looked into this feature called AD Recycle Bin is because we saw that the whole backup and restore process is very tedious, all right? And hence, starting in 2008 R2, Microsoft introduced the concept of AD Recycle Bin. So the idea behind AD Recycle Bin was very simple. When you delete an object from Active Directory, it should remain somewhere in the database so that you can recover it immediately, rather than going through the whole long, tedious process of backup and restore.
Yes.
Right. Now, for me to look into this feature, I need to go into another place. So far, we've been looking at a tool called Active Directory Users and Computers. Now we are going to be looking at a tool called Active Directory Administrative Center.
Okay.
So Active Directory Administrative Center and Active Directory Users and Computers are both the same thing, but Administrative Center is an updated version. This is the old tool for managing users and computers. This is a new tool. Okay, so I'll click on this. So this is the tool that probably is going to be the tool in the future, and you can do almost the same thing that you did before. Like, if I click on the domain, and if I want to create users, I click new user. If I want to create OUs, right click over here, new, organization unit. If I want to raise the function level, raise the domain function level, I can do that. And if you notice over here, there's an option called enable recycle bin.
Recycle bin.
Yeah, but it's not highlighted. I'll tell you why it is not highlighted. Because if I right click my domain and I select this option, raise domain function level, can you see the function level of my domain currently?
Yeah, it shows Windows Server 2008.
Yes, I have to raise it to at least 2008 R2 to get the
R2.
feature. Even if I raise it to 2012 R2, I will get it because the feature was released in 2008 R2. I could even raise it to server 2016. I can get it, but I will go step by step. So I need to raise my
Michael,
domain.
when you said we will do step by step, fundamentally, is that how we should be doing it?
Not necessary. There's no hard and fast thing. You can directly jump to 2000 server 2016.
Okay, but now here for a learning, we are doing it like step by step. Okay.
Yeah. So maybe you didn't have any of these PCs in your environment, 2012 R2. You don't have these PCs, so you can directly jump to Windows Server 2016.
Yeah, there's no point in going to the next step because you have the 2016 available. So.
Right. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to go to 2008 R2. So I'm raising the domain function level to 2008 R2, and I will click on OK to this. It says this change affects the complete domain. After you raise the domain function level, it is possible that you may not be able to reverse it back.
That you may need, because I believe it is possible, but it is just giving you a warning.
It is possible. So yeah, after you raise the function level, it is possible that you may not be able to reverse it. I will click on OK to this. Functional level was raised successfully, whatever. And now I'll go back. I'll go back and I'll see if this whole thing, am I able to the enable recycle bin feature is still not enabled. It's still not enabled. क्या हुआ?
Forest level.
If you remember, I told you for AD recycle bin, the forest function level has to be raised to 2008. So what I did is I raised the domain function level. After the domain function level, I have to also raise the forest function level. And the meaning of the raising the forest function level is my root domain, child domains, all are on the same level, then only I can raise the forest functional level. So I right click over here and I said raise domain function level. I did not raise function level. I'm going to raise it, which is still on 2008, and I will raise it to 2008 R2.
And I believe the process would be the same.
Yes, processing. Done. And now I will go back, activate the administrative center, and I will click over here. Can you see this now?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now I get enable recycle bin, but before that, see, there is no container called deleted objects container, there's no container called deleted objects. After I enable this, I will get a container called deleted objects container from where I can recover objects that are deleted. You're getting it? So I will enable this feature, enable AD recycle bin. Are you sure you want to perform this action? Once recycle bin is enabled, it cannot be disabled. The reason why it says it cannot be disabled because it makes schema modifications. The schema that we studied yesterday, it makes modification to the schema, and any modification that you add to the schema, you can just deactivate it. You cannot remove it. Okay. The schema modification is a one-way process. So that's what
it is part of the structure. You might want to use it or you might not, but you can't remove it.
But you can't remove it. You can't remove it. Okay to that. Please refresh AD Administrative Center now. Click on OK, and let's refresh it or close it back, open it back. Yeah. So now, can you see this? I can't disable it. There's no option to disable it. And now I should see a container called deleted objects. This is what I see over here. Deleted objects container. And what I'm going to simply do is I'm going to delete something, some user from here. Do I have any users? तो कोई है नहीं. ठीक है, एक ऑब्जेक्ट को डिलीट करते हैं, ये क्लाइंट को डिलीट करते हैं. ठीक है, क्लिक डिलीट. Are you sure to delete this computer name client? Yes, I will delete it. Right, ये डिलीट हो गया. Right, और फिर मैं यहाँ पे जाता हूँ. I understood that I deleted by mistake, so I will go to this container called, wait, let me just close all the windows. Yeah, deleted objects container here. I will double click on it. Can I see the client? Yes, I can see. All I have to do is restore or restore to. Restore will, directly restore it to the original location. Restore to
Restore
will
to
give me an
will
option. So let's go back and see. And you can go back and see. Let's refresh this. That's it. We got a computer back.